Hello and welcome to this short overview of Connect Your Sales Team Small Business Edition. Connect Your Sales Team Small Business Edition was designed for small businesses to be able to effectively market and keep track of registration and attendance records for online webinars. You know, the online webinars you might be doing for lead generation. So if you're a user of Salesforce Group Edition or Professional Edition, or if you're using one of the small business editions of Salesforce, you can use the Connect Your Sales Team Small Business Edition tool for publishing your webinar events and then tracking your leads back inside of Salesforce.com. So our system starts with Adobe. Currently, we only support the Adobe Connect webinar platform. So if you're a user of Adobe Connect and you're running online webinars and wanting to track those participants as leads, Connect Your Sales Team could be an invaluable tool to save you a tremendous amount of time as far as seamlessly tracking your registrations and your attendance records back in Salesforce. So within Adobe, it's very simple to come in and create meeting rooms using the Meetings tab. And then you would build events using the event management tool in Adobe. Now, the event management tool is a way to create registration landing pages where you can customize the information that you want to collect on your participants, and then you can automate the sending of emails like confirming emails, reminder emails, thank you for attending, and so on. So all that kind of event management stuff is handled over on the Adobe side. And what ends up happening is that event is treated as content and is then pulled into the Connect Your Sales Team storefront, which is the portal technology that our software provides you. Now this portal technology is brandable. You can customize the banner you see here at the top of the page, and there's a logo area up here where you can embed your logo. And Connect Your Sales Team becomes a way for you to organize and display these events that you're creating over in Adobe. And we give you different views. Your customers can filter by recently added events or upcoming events. They can browse by category, which are custom folders and subfolders that you create in the system in order to create logical navigation so your participants can find what they're looking for. We also have a calendar view that allows you to display your events in a calendar. And then we've got this embed mode, which allows you to grab the embed code for any page within the site, and you can embed those pages onto your own website. So for example, if I jump over to one of our customers' websites, we'll go to Clarizen. You'll see right here on their homepage, they've got this live demo link. And if we click live demo, we'll go to a page where we're looking at the browse by category navigation page. And these are the custom categories that Clarizen has created, and they've essentially pulled our catalog into their own website, and they've customized things to match their CSS and look and feel for their website, and our system just kind of naturally blends into their website. Now they can just keep their customers on their own site and not have to send them to a third-party site. So let's jump back over to our page. Let's jump back off to the home page. And what's really important about what you're seeing here, in addition to having a nice, clean way of displaying information to your customers, is we give you lots of tools in the back end that allow you to link all this information into Salesforce. So as participants register, you can do things like link events to a campaign. You can track campaign IDs that might be embedded in the URL of the registration page. Those campaign IDs can be tracked back in Salesforce. You can seamlessly link or map all the information that you're wanting to collect on people. So here's the form that somebody would fill out. Each of these custom fields can be linked to a custom field in Salesforce, whether that's a lead record or a contact record. So you can link campaigns, you can link or track campaign IDs or promotional IDs to track the source of where people come from. And then you can collect any number of different bits of information on people, and all of that information can be tracked back in Salesforce. So I'm just going to go ahead and close down that form, and we're going to jump over to Salesforce and take a quick look at how the information is tracked over there. So I'm going to go ahead and get myself logged in here. So when you install our custom package, which is here in the App Exchange, you'll notice you'll get a custom tab that's installed called Connect Events. As you categorize events over in the Connect Your Sales Team storefront, those events become available here in our system. I'm going to go ahead and click on All and navigate to an event that I know happened last year, because it'll have actual information in there. I'm going to click on this Mythbusters event here at the bottom. And so within Salesforce, we track some basic summary information, the name of the event, the category where it was listed over in your storefront, the event login page, whether or not there was a cost associated to it or not. So all this information is tracked in Salesforce. Many customers will use this data along with their marketing automation software to create triggers and workflows that will automate custom messages coming out of Salesforce, or automatically alert sales reps when certain registrations come in based on this information. If I scroll down, we'll see a related list called Connect Registrations, and this shows the full list of people who have registered for the event. So we track things like registration date, whether or not the person's a contact or a lead record. We flag whether or not they attended the event and when they attended. In our enterprise version of the application, you can run courses that are generated over in Adobe, and we can track things like score and completion criteria and so on. Also, if you're using the enterprise edition, you can set up e-commerce and track PayPal transactions, revenue. We have a coupon code system that allows you to run or create promotional codes in the system. So all that data that is relevant to the event is tracked over here inside of Salesforce. So it's a pretty simple 1, 2, 3 process. You create your event in Adobe. That event is listed in the Connect Your Sales Team storefront. As your participants register and attend events, those registration and attendance records are tracked here as leads and as transcripts right inside of Salesforce. And that's pretty much how the system works. If you would like to learn more or have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.